We're back at 612 AutoWorks with this 1947 Power Wagon build. This is going to be a 1947 Power Wagon on a 4th generation Ram Cummins truck or chassis. This gives you modern technology, but with the old school look. The guys over here split the original cab down the middle, extending it lengthwise and widthwise. While they're doing that, we're gonna scan what they had placed on the truck already, as well as the front nose, so we could start building out our front nose and getting our dimensions. The reason why we started with this first is we needed our edges to know where our hood is gonna sit. We're then gonna scan the back cab corner because now we're gonna redesign the cab corner to meet up with the new doors. They're throwing suicide doors on this, so we have to rework the sheet metal a little bit. After he's done mocking the door out, we'll jump on that side, we'll scan the cab corner. That way we could start sending parts out or sending files out to get made. And that way they could start building this cab out and we can work on the bed. So we're gonna start by, like I said, scanning the front nose and then jumping onto the cab, which you'll see in a time lapse.
Like this.
Where do we want to put the bumper down?
Well, what's good is you have this, so we could use that to figure out.
Like if we put the bumper down here.
I think maybe we might end up with 2 ends and leave the center.
Like a Jeep?
And leave the fucking grill like a nice, just a crazy nice grill with 2 ends.
Can't picture that.
But you see like how it's got those louvers in the hood and everything?
Yeah.
That diamond design, we could almost make that diamond more of like, almost like a stingray kind of diamond.
Oh, like elongate one end?
Yeah.
Like as if it's a cross, but you just added edges to a cross.
Right. So now we could do the same thing, those fender vent things that are on the hood and in the wheel well, we could actually just stretch them bigger and use that same pattern to create like a louver there.
I don't know how that's gonna.
I don't know.
So last time you guys saw this truck, it was a 4th gen Ram. The guys at 612 have been drilled piecing away at the cowl. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna scan that rear quarter so that way we can get a CAD file for a lot of the curvy parts that have to meet up with the door. So that way Willie over there doesn't have to hammer away all day. Guys, Doug is gonna scan everything. We might talk about some points, but who knows?
That's it.
Willie's gonna have to take all these out. Yes.
I said to give it slightly. We're gonna try to do a texture scan today. I guess the rapid scan mode instead of a typical laser scan mode. Gonna try to do something different. Might give us a different perspective while we're doing the modeling. If it doesn't work out, we'll just resort back to the laser scan because the markers will be there. We're gonna do a laser scan. We already have the markers up. I really don't want to spend some time just looking up how to do a texture scan with the rapid scan. We have the markers. Laser works well. We have the PC for it. We'll just do that.